If I could sit down with every new teacher, there'd be a few things I'd want you to know. 1, you don't need to prove yourself by burning out. Trust me, you overworking yourself will be capitalized on. You coming in early, you leaving late. Those are things that, administrators look for, and they're going to ask you to do everything that you would say yes to. So don't get exhausted trying to be perfect as a teacher. There's no such thing as a perfect teacher. We're all human. And exhaustion is not evidence of commitment. Number 2, growth takes time. You're a first-year teacher, or maybe in your first couple of years. You have to learn. As an educator, we are learning all the time. That's what professional development is for. That's what our professional learning communities are for learning and honing in on our craft. So you don't have to have it all your first year, your second year, heck, any number of years you've been in education. You don't have to have it all together. Just always work towards growing and improving. 3, relationships come before content. When your students come through that door, it's relationship building time. The more you build relationships with them, the more they will be susceptible to learning the content you're trying to share. So open up that door, build a relationship with them, let them know that you're somebody they can trust, somebody who cares about them, and then they'll be more open to learning what you have to share with them. 4, boundaries protect your longevity. And teaching is meant to be a career, and it used to be a lifelong career. People would retire from teaching. Now less people are retiring from teaching. People are leaving the profession because they are not setting boundaries. They are not having a life outside of their commitment to teaching. And you definitely should have a life outside of your commitment to teaching. Set the boundaries. Say no when you have to. Don't be the person who comes in early and stays late. You have to give yourself time to rest and rejuvenate. You have to take care of you in order to be able to disseminate information to your students. And 5, ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Great teachers ask for help. Great teachers work together. You are new. You are becoming. So asking for help is a great way to strengthen your teaching skills, a great way to hone your craft, a great way to build relationships with your coworkers. And just because you're new doesn't mean you don't have anything to offer. So as you ask for help, also provide help. It's a two-way street. You got this. So take these steps and take them to heart. Trust me, I've been in education for over 17 years. I know. So if you are a new teacher, please leave a heart below. And if you are a veteran teacher, share one thing you wish you would have known your first few years of teaching. Let's help build this community, strengthen each other. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like this video, comment below the heart or your one thing you wish you've known as a new teacher. Subscribe to the community, share this video with others. I'm here as your honorary mentor. So give me some feedback. Let me know what's going on. And if it's something that you want to know more about, please share that in the comments as well. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.